Hi, welcome traders. Welcome to JJP Trading Academy. In this video, we are going to see about the Bank Nifty Direct Index analysis for 28th December 2021, and we are also going to see the post-market analysis for 27th December 2021. In the previous video, I have uploaded about the main important levels to trade in 27th December 2021, and I will be explaining what are all the market reacted today for these levels, and I will be giving you the most important levels to trade for 28th December 2021. So don't skip this video till the end. And if you have not subscribed to our channel till now, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell button. Then only you will be receiving the upcoming video updates of our channel. So I have opened the previous day. I have given video, right? In that video I have posted these levels which will be reacting more powerfully today. So as per the yesterday, I have given levels as a center level as 34,956, and I have given the rejection levels. These two levels I have given as a rejection level, as well as the market will be the target given for 35,326 if the market moves for a buy side move. And actually if the buy side move continues, then we can expect the market for 35,500. I have said for the sell side move, the sell entries 34,580 is the target, first target, and the second target 34,299, and the third target 34,120 I have set for sell side movement. So actually let us see what has happened today in this market. So right now I have opened the Bank Nifty Direct Index 5 minutes time frame with 27th December 2021 chart. Now I have opened. So just see here, yesterday we have set that the center point is at 34,956. So this is the basic setup we need to see. So 34,956 is this center point. So once the market started today, there is a big gap down. So once after this, we need to consider that whether if there is a big gap up or gap down, whether we need to see that the target level has been reached or not. So actually for the sell side entry, if the market is in below 34,956, we have expected the market to give a target levels till 34,580. This is the target level, and I have in the middle itself I have given a rejection level 34,865, 34,865. So almost the market has been broke every levels of the rejection levels also. So these rejection levels also not reacted more perfectly. So finally the market has been in a big gap down, and it is near to the sell entry only. Till now the market is in a sell side move. So according to our analysis, the target level for the first target is 34,580. So shortly the target level has been reached, and perfectly the market has been started there only. So once the target level reached, if we need to see the candles first of all. If the candles is rejecting, then we can move for the from the target level itself, then we can move for the upper side move till the center level again. Otherwise, if you are getting the target levels to be broken, and if there any consolidation in the first target, and if the market is trying to move for upside, then we can expect for buy side move. Otherwise, we need to see whether the market is again and again going for a sell side move, how much targets it's moving. So you just see the second target I have given 34,299. So short 34,299, the market has been reached, and there is a retracement in this candle itself. There is a retracement for that level 34,299. So actually you can see the perfect pin bar candle, green pin bar candle has been happened in the target level. So this shows the sell side book profit happened in our second target. 34,299 is the second target. So second target itself there is a green pin bar, it has been happened. So once if you getting a higher confirmation this type of pin bar, this candle has a, so you just see here, this candle has a big wick in the downside, and there is a body only in the upper side, as well as it has a green candle. So this shows the full bullish movement in this candle. Actually it has been placed upper side of our target level. So in the second target itself there is a good rejection candle. So once if you have taken the entry in the high of this candle, so almost you have got a good points. So the first target again, now the first target will be reacting as a first target for buy entry, because it has been replaced to a resistance. So 580 it has been reached, the first target. So for that also there is a book profit. So you can see. So once after the level by level, every target has been reached for buy entry. So finally the target one 35,326. So it has also not reached 35,326 also not reached, but almost our center level also has been breakout. So now the market is in buy side. That's all. So this is the post market analysis, and according to the previous day analysis only, it has been reacted perfectly in the target level. So the book profit happened in our target level. This shows the sell side move has been ended. So market reacted for the buy side move. Okay traders, right now we have understood what are all the post-market analysis happened in 27th December 2021 till now, and I have explained about the levels also I have given yesterday, and what has been reacted today in the live market itself. I have shown what are all the market reacted today. So for the next day, 28th December 2021, I am going to show the main important levels right now. So I have plotted before itself. So these levels has been plotted with our team members, and according to our research we have given these levels. So first of all, we are considering the center point level as 34,689. So once now the close of the candle is here only. So once if you are seeing the market is sustaining above the center point, and if you are getting any main rejection candles in 34,798 or the small rejection level as 35,143, you can go for a buy entry. These are the main rejection levels, buy entry. So once if you are reached the first target 35,308, so you can, once the target has been reached, and we need to wait for a breakout candle. So once after the breakout only, again if there is any rejection in this level, you can expect the target for second target 35,500. so these are the buy side move levels I have plotted, and the main levels for sell side move, if the market has been gap down, or otherwise if there is a big bearish candles in the first candle or two to three candles, if the market could not sustain above the center point, then we can expect the market for a sell side move with the sell main rejection levels 34,584 and the sell side target as 34,295 as the first target. So once if you are seeing any book profits near the target zones, we can go for buy entry also. This type of buy entry also you can take, but most probably the high probable entries should be taken in sell side main rejection levels, and the second target for sell side move is 34,022. That's all. Okay traders, now I have given the post market analysis for 27th December, as well as I have given the next day main levels 28th December 2021. So thank you traders, thanks for watching this video till the end. If you have any other doubts with these levels, you can make a comment below. And if you want to join our advanced price action course, join our Telegram channel first of all. Click on the Telegram channel link in the description and join our Telegram channel to get the daily updated performance of our indicator as well as our WhatsApp live support. If you want to join us, WhatsApp us on 7200556708. Thank you. Thanks for watching.